Everybody, it's October 26, 2018. It's Friday. Yesterday, I not only hit, but I exceeded my target for the week. So I had planned not to trade today. Thought I'd give my nerves and my adrenal glands a little break. Um, this type of trading can be a little stressful that I do, this very in the moment type of scalping. But by about 10 o'clock, and after watching it for about a half hour, I decided to go ahead and give it a shot. So here's some of the trades from today. First one's about 4 minutes after news. We had already made a couple of pushes down. You can see we were getting fairly close to the support level on the 2-minute chart. Took this nice 40 tick winner. So I was pretty happy to start off the session like that. Okay, at this point, if you look here on the 2-minute chart, we were starting to hit this little level, but we were seeing tremendous momentum post-news, and I knew we had a pretty good amount of space before we had any obstacles. So I actually increased my target to 60 ticks, and the whole thing is, would it break through this level? And I believed it would. And you can see I broke even fairly quickly. I have a hot key on my keyboard that I push and instantaneously breaks even. And that was almost a 50 tick winner, so I was very happy with that. And it lasted just seconds. Now I find with these kind of swings and volatility, you need a pretty big stop. I don't always let it go and hit mine, but this thing kind of raced up pretty quickly. I sort of miscalculated here, and we got a little bounce, and full 40 tick stop loss. So that wasn't so great. And what you're seeing here was a little reverse scalp. We started forming a little box here. Had this top here too. You can assume that some of the shorts, there were some sort of stops here. Popped that. I broke even, took profit at about 20 ticks or so. Here's one through this little break here. Broke even very quickly on that. Almost stops me out at break even. This is real time. Only about a 13 tick winner there. Went into this. I actually meant to get in here, but price was moving very fast and got in a little late. This was a very uncomfortable trade. You can see it just gets locked into a box here. And finally, I put my target at break even and got out at break even. Another trade I tried to get into, but price was moving so fast I got a really lousy entry. Just a little off on my timing, I guess. That was a pretty lousy trade. Got into another one that I thought was breaking out. It ended up getting into that mini consolidation mode that I don't like to be in. I decided to be a little patient on this one since I wasn't too worried about risk being up so well for the week. And that one popped a nice 40 ticks or so for me. Nice little W formation. Reduced my risk very quickly on this one as well. And good winner there. Small winner here. Here's a little one doing on one of my reverse scalps. Ended up not liking it, breaking even, and then playing the breakout, which didn't break out immediately. Again, reducing risk very quickly. And that was the last trade of the day. I can honestly say in the last month or two, I've seen very good progress. And I've changed things up a little bit. I used to enter trades on these little pullbacks and then go in on the break of the black spine and some of these things, but I was getting an enormous loss rate. And I realized I got much better results if I'd actually wait for a breakout of some sort of previous price levels or little boxes that form and price congestion areas. So, and you really get a feel for it. I can almost feel when it's going to break through just from doing it so often. And now my trades, for the most part, have much less risk. I'm in them a lot. They're in and out very quickly, and much better than being in a trade and being trapped for a long time while it inches up or down and all of that. So that's it for the week, and very pleased with the progress.